In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw GCash from abroad. Whether you're traveling or living overseas, you can access your GCash balance in local currency using any ATM that supports MasterCard. I'll walk you through each screen you're likely to see and share a few quick tips so your withdrawal is smooth and secure. Before you head out, make sure your GCash MasterCard is activated, you know your PIN, and you have enough balance for the amount plus any ATM and foreign transaction fees. It also helps to be aware of daily withdrawal limits, which can vary by country and by ATM operator. Start by locating an ATM with the MasterCard logo. Bank-operated ATMs in well-lit, secure locations are usually more reliable and may have clearer fee disclosures. Give the card slot a quick check and cover the keypad to protect against skimming devices. Insert your GCash MasterCard and select your preferred language. Some machines will briefly read your card and return it. Others keep it until the end. Either is normal. Follow the on-screen prompts until you reach the transaction menu. Choose Withdraw, then select Savings as the account type. If the ATM labels accounts as current or checking versus savings, pick savings for your GCash MasterCard to be recognized correctly. Enter your PIN carefully, shielding the keypad, and then type the amount you want to withdraw in the local currency. ATMs often state their per transaction limits or available denominations. If your requested amount isn't available, try a rounded figure or a smaller amount. If the ATM offers to convert the transaction to your home currency, choose to be charged in the local currency instead so your card network handles the exchange rate, which is typically more favorable. Review any fee messages before you confirm. Once approved, the machine will dispense your cash. Take a moment to collect your money, the receipt if you requested one, and importantly, your card. Some ATMs release the card last. Count your cash discreetly, secure it, and make sure the session is fully completed before you step away. If a withdrawal is declined, it can be due to insufficient funds, a temporary network issue, an incorrect PIN, or a local ATM limit. You can try a different machine, a smaller amount, or wait a few minutes and retry. Later, open your app to review the transaction and fees for your records, and that's it. Using your GCash MasterCard abroad is essentially the same as at home, with just a bit of attention to fees, limits, and safety.